Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is just a quick video. Now I know a lot of you are out there and you are uh, starting ATC cards. You're getting into trading and learning what they are. And what they are artist. Oh my gosh, I just lost artist trading cards. And they are. I have many videos about them, but I'm just going to tell you really quick. They are 2.5 by 3.5, always the same measurement. They are 9 out of 10 times traded, but you can make them and sell them if you want. That's a whole other video. So if you're starting, maybe you're in a swap. Maybe you're not real sure about exactly, how to do it. Many different ways, but this is going to be an easy way for you. If you go to your local craft store, right now you can go to the AC Moores around you because they're having all the clearance and all that stuff because they're closing. But you can get these scrapbook papers. And I got 2 here just to show you. But this is for Valentine's Day. And then this is a travel one, which I absolutely loved. So you could do, run away with me, let's go to the mountains, travel, blah, 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 blah. You could do bits and pieces of it, whatever you want. Like this one, I really dig. Okay, so anyway. Oh, this one's, okay, let's stop. And even here, let me just show you real quick. You could cut this out, run away with me, and then you could cut the part of this out as the airplane. You could put them together. You could layer them. You could, you could really have a blast with these. So, I'll be playing with these down the road a little bit. But I wanted to show you just this really quick tip. So let's say I'm going to pack, oh, this one's really cute. Be Mine. How about my desk is a mess and I really am sorry. Sweet on you, happy Valentine's Day. Hey there, honey. This is cute. So let's cut this out. So I'm just going to move this over just to make it a little bit easier to be seen. So here's my small. And you can cut with your Cricut. You can cut, with your cutting tool, whatever you have. And la la la. Okay. Now you can see that's obviously bigger. Now I can move in because, okay, so you can see that's obviously bigger. I always turn it over so I can see. And I'll trim it a little bit more. Again, you could trim it with your machine, your, what is it called, a Fiskars? I think there's different ones. Now, here's where you can decide, do you want to maybe cut it exactly around? Do you want to fussy cut it or do you want to just use this? So you would glue this down. You could paint this back a cool pink color or whatever and then just have the bear. But then you would just glue it down so it matched. You could go in now with glitter. You could see the heart has glitter. You can put in glitter on the top, glitter on the outsides, whatever you want. And you will have your very quick and easy ATC. I mean, there's nothing quicker. This was 3 minutes. And, so, I mean, this is fantastic. So you can find tons of these. And like I said, you can be that, you can cut out, I love you. You can cut all these and oh gosh, you could really have a blast. So I hope this was helpful for you guys starting out. Go check these things out. Of course, you can fussy cut and do all that, but this is very easy. And you can even color on the outside, doodle, do whatever you want. And just make it your own. And glitter never hurts anything. So I hope this was very helpful. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much. And share me around. I appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.